Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about the bit error rate of the Alamuti code. This is lecture number 21 of week 10. So in the previous lecture we calculated the signal to noise ratio of a system which has two transmit antennas and one receive antenna, and we did transmission with the help of a space-time block code called Alamuti code. We found out that the diversity order of that system is 2 and the signal to noise ratio was h norm of square into p divided by 2 sigma square. So if we divide these or separate these quantities h square 1 over 2 and p by sigma square, p by sigma square is simple SNR of a SISO system. So what is the BER at higher SNR for Alamuti code? So we have a generic formula for the SNR in which we can put the C, L and 2L minus 1 because we have the diversity order of 2 here. So L is equal to 2. We can put this value of 2 here, and here we put the half of SNR which is given by here signal to noise ratio and multiplied by 2. See, at the end of the day this whole term would be 1 over SNR to the power L. So L is 2 here. The final formula for BER would be 3 combination 2. This 3 combination 2 is basically equal to 3. So here we would have 1 over SNR square. So the average bit error rate of the Alamuti code is given by 3 over SNR square. We have assumed here that H1 and H2 are identically dependently distributed Rayleigh fading coefficients with average power is equal to 1. Let's take an example of an Alamuti processing. Let's assume that we have received y is equal to h1, h2 into x1 and x2 plus w, in which these h1 and h2 are basically somehow estimated at the receiver. So h1 is equal to 2 plus j and h2 is equal to 1 minus 2j. This is just an example in which we have these h and h2 values. Now for this system, if we apply Alamuti code, so what we would do at the first transmit instance or period, we will transmit x1 and x2 through two different antennas. So we will receive y1 is equal to 2 plus j into 1 minus 2j x1 plus x2 plus w1. So if this is the case, then the received signal would be equal to y1 given by this. So at the second instant, if we transmit minus x2 conjugate and x1 conjugate through antenna 1 and antenna 2 respectively, so what we receive would be y2 is equal to this thing. So if we take the conjugate of this y2, we will get this thing, this whole equation. So in the matrix form, you can write all these values in which received signal at two time instants would be given by a vector y. We have a complete H matrix in which the columns they represent the transmit symbol instance or receive symbol instance, and the rows represent the number of antennas. So in a Alamuti system, the channel matrix is basically a space-time code matrix. So we have two columns which are orthogonal to each other. This column vector would be representing the actual transmitted symbols, and we have a noise vector which contains W1 and W2 conjugate. So C1 would be this column vector, C2 would be this column vector. Just to see if they are orthogonal or not, we multiplied the permission of the C1 with the C2 vector, and if we see that they turn out to be 0, so they are independent of each other. So if we want to extract x1, we perform this operation at the receiver as we have measured the channel at 2 time instants, so C1 emission divided by C1 norm into Y. That is the operation we have to perform. So C1 norm is calculated to be under root 10. So if you put on these values, what we get is these equations. So at 2 time instants, you can receive the signal or measured at the antenna, and by this linear combination you can extract x1. Similarly, to extract x2, you can perform this operation and you can extract x2 from linear combination. So x1 or x2 can be extracted from y at time instant, at any time instant actually. So example of BER Alumoti code. Let us have an example in which we have 1/2 MISO system with Alumoti code transmission. We need to find out the BER at SNR of 25 dB. As we know that average BER for Alumoti code is given by 3 over SNR square. First convert this SNR, which is given in dBs, to a linear scale, which turns out to be 10 to the power 2.5, because this is a linear formula in which SNR has to be in a linear form. So if we put the values of SNR here, what we get is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. So average BER of Alumoti code at SNR of 25 dB is given by 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. Thank you.